Good morning. Come in, please. Have a seat.
Good morning, doctor.
How can I help you today?
I have a really bad toothache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth is hurting?
This tooth on the right side, it started hurting a few days ago.
I see. How long have you had the pain?
About 4 days.
Has the pain been getting worse?
Yes, it was okay at first, but last night it was really painful.
Did the pain keep you awake?
Yes, I couldn't sleep very well.
I understand. Does it hurt when you eat or drink something?
Yes, cold drinks make it hurt a lot.
What about hot drinks?
Sometimes hot drinks hurt too.
And what about sweet foods?
Yes, sweets make it worse.
Okay. I'm going to take a look at your tooth.
Okay.
Please sit back and open your mouth.
Ah.
A little wider, please.
Ah.
Perfect. Just relax.
Is it bad?
I can see a cavity in this tooth.
Oh no. Is it a big cavity?
It's not very big, but it needs treatment.
What kind of treatment do I need?
I think you need a filling.
A filling?
Yes, I'll remove the damaged part of the tooth and put a filling inside.
Will I need an x-ray?
Yes, I'd like to take an x-ray first.
Okay. Is an x-ray painful?
No, it doesn't hurt at all. It only takes a few seconds.
That's good.
After the x-ray, we'll know exactly how deep the cavity is.
Okay.
Please bite down on this small piece.
Like this?
Yes, hold still for a moment.
Okay.
Great, we're done.
That was quick.
Yes, let me check the x-ray.
Is everything okay?
Yes, the cavity isn't very deep, which is good news.
Oh, that's a relief.
We can fix it today.
Today?
Yes, it should take about 30 minutes.
Will it hurt?
I'll give you a local anesthetic first.
What does that do?
It makes the area numb, so you shouldn't feel much pain.
Will I feel the injection?
You may feel a small pinch, but it will only last a few seconds.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Many people feel nervous at the dentist.
I don't really like dental treatment.
Don't worry, I'll explain everything before I do it.
Thank you.
If you feel uncomfortable at any time, raise your left hand.
Okay, that's helpful.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Great. Open your mouth, please.
Ah.
Good. You're doing very well.
I can feel some pressure.
That's normal. You shouldn't feel any sharp pain.
Okay.
We're almost finished with the cleaning.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put in the filling.
All right.
Just a little longer.
Okay.
And we're finished.
Really?
Yes, you did a great job.
It wasn't as bad as I expected.
I'm glad to hear that.
My mouth still feels strange.
That's because it's still numb.
How long will it stay numb?
Usually for a few hours.
Can I eat now?
It's better to wait until the numbness goes away.
Why?
You could accidentally bite your cheek or tongue without feeling it.
Oh, I see.
You should also avoid very hot food and drinks for a while.
Can I drink water?
Yes, water is fine.
What about coffee?
Wait until your mouth feels normal again.
Okay, I'll wait.
You should also brush your teeth twice a day.
I usually brush once a day.
Try to brush twice a day, especially before bed.
Okay, I'll try.
And don't forget to floss.
I almost never floss.
Flossing is very important. It removes food between your teeth.
I'll start flossing every day.
Excellent.
Doctor, when should I come back?
I'd like you to come back in 6 months for a regular checkup.
6 months. Got it.
If you have any pain before then, give us a call.
I will.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's everything.
Great. Your tooth should feel much better soon.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're very welcome.
I'm glad I came today.
That's good to hear. Taking care of your teeth is important.
I'll definitely take better care of my teeth.
Excellent. Have a great day.
Thank you, Doctor. You too.
Useful dentist phrases to practice. I have a toothache. It hurts when I eat something cold. How long will it take? Will it hurt? I'm a little nervous. That's a relief. Can I eat now? When should I come back? I'll make an appointment. I'll take better care of my teeth.